Happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to take an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. Now, let's get started. Starting out with our outdoor entertainment side, you can see that we do have two large awnings out here. This one does extend over your entryway, and the other one is on your side over here, and they both do have LED strips that go all the way across them to keep things nice and bright outside. We also have our step above stairs, and you have your safety rail. This just is an extra safety precaution. It's super sturdy and it'll help anybody get into the camper. We also do have a leash hitch out here. You can see right here down below, you can clip your dog's leash right in there. So if everybody's hanging out and you don't want your dog kind of wandering around, you do have that so they can stay put with you. We also do have an outdoor kitchen right here. This opens up, you have your capital griddle, you have a little storage up top along with an electrical outlet, and you do have your mini fridge so you can throw your burgers in there or all of your beverages. Now, let's check out our storage. In the very front of your Reflection, you do have a massive pass-through storage space. I can almost put my arms all the way out and I'm still not touching both walls, so it is pretty large in here. You have an electrical outlet over on my side. We also do have two lights in here, and the best thing about this is it is an easy to clean out floor. So if you're putting some outdoor items in here and you get some dirt, you can easily just wipe that away. And they have given you this gripped surface, so while you're going down the road, things aren't going to be rolling around. Over on your side, you do have your convenience bay with all the hookups you're going to need while you're at the campground. Now, let's move inside. Before we get started on the inside, I did want to remind you guys that here at Cookeville RV and Marine, we are family owned and operated. And I know when you think that, you think a family owned business, they're going to have crazy prices. Well, not us. We strive to have the best prices and the best customer relationships. We treat all of our customers like they're part of the family. So you definitely want to buy from us. And hey, we want you to buy from us. We want you to join our family. So let's get started. When you first walk in, over on my right hand side, we do have our control panel. This is where you're going to control all your lights, your awnings, and your slides. We have a ton to look at in this camper, so let's go ahead and get started with our kitchen area. In our kitchen area, we do have this gorgeous pantry space. This is a dual door that opens up, giving you so much room for all of your groceries. We even do have room up top for some more. Now, right behind me, we have this fridge. This is a glass front fridge, opens up, giving you tons of room for all of your groceries in here. Moving on, we have our typical 3-burner stovetop. This is gorgeous. It is a gas stove. You also have your microwave in here and a little storage off to the side. You could easily throw some spices in here, or if you just want some pots and pans, that's pretty big as well. We have some countertop space, and you do have an electrical outlet right here, so if you want to throw an air fryer right there, that's a good location for it. You have some drawers underneath for extra storage, and on the other side is my favorite part, which is the island. So over here we have these gorgeous light fixtures. Down below you have a ton of countertop space, so you can easily have a buffet style dinner. We also have our retractable nozzle on our sink. They've given you a drying rack, and we have lots of things over here. You have a place for all of your silverware, and they've given you this added little drawer right here for a little extra space. You have more storage underneath that. You also do have some storage for all of your cleaning supplies right here under the sink. And I know you're thinking, where does my trash go? Well, they've given you 2 trash cans just for that reason. And I'm going to show you guys my very favorite part of the island, which is the place where your best friend is going to eat dinner. And by your best friend, I mean your dog. Right here, you do have a dog bowl, so while y'all are sitting here eating dinner, your dog can eat as well. And you also do have another electrical outlet right here. Now, let's check out our slide. In one of our sides over here, we do have our dining table. This is super nice to eat dinner as a whole family, and you do have some windows right behind you so you can easily see those gorgeous views as well. Over on this side, we do have some chairs, and on that side, it is a super comfy ottoman that actually is removable. So if you need that so you can sit somewhere else in the camper, you can easily move that as well. Now over here, we do have some theater seats, super comfy, you guys, and you do have a little bit of storage right here for all of your remotes, or you could even fit a small little tablet in here too. You have a cup holder right here and 2 on both sides, along with some features. You have a light setting, a heat setting, and a back massage setting. You also do have USB ports on both sides, and you have pulleys so your feet can come out and you can sit here and relax. We have some overhead storage here too, and over on this side you do have another couch. Let's move over here. We have another couch so you can have tons of guests at the campground, or if they need a place to sleep, this actually does move out into a bed, so you have a nice little bed in your living room too. You have some tables on both sides so you can sit a nice little plate if you want to sit here and eat dinner. You have an electrical outlet over here too, and you have some storage so you can easily throw some board games or some blankets, extra items right there. You have some windows in here, and we do have more overhead storage, so you have just a little bit of extra space in here. But the best part in here is definitely your entertainment space. So over here we have some overhead storage. In the middle you do have a JBL speaker, so if you're in here and want to listen to some music, you can easily play it right there. Down below we have our TV, and it is on a swivel, so if you want to move it so you can see it from your dining room table, you can do that. We have a nice large drawer underneath that you can throw all of your stuff in. I personally would use this as a massive junk drawer. Throw all your bills, different stuff in there. Who cares about those? Now down below we do have our fireplace. This works as a heat setting for those cold winter months, or if you just want it as a little extra light in here, you're gonna turn all the lights on, have a nice little fireplace going while you're watching TV. You can do it. Now, let's check out the rest. Right across from our entryway, we have the perfect room for the kiddos. This is a nice little private area for them to sit and relax and watch TV or do their schoolwork. In our slide, we do have this very comfy couch, and this does roll out into a bed. So if they want to use this to sleep in, they can easily do that. You have a couple of windows all the way around it, so they're also getting those gorgeous views and getting a little sunlight. On the other side of the room, we do have a TV backer location, so you can throw a TV right here. You have a USB and a USB-C port, along with a couple electrical outlets. The best part about this is, though, they do have this nice little desk area. So like I said, they need to do some schoolwork, or if you need to do some work, you're a remote worker, you can easily use this little desk area for all of that. You also do have some storage right here. This is a mirror front storage cabinet with a nice little hanging bar, and I know you see that little box in there. That's actually Grand Design's a new thing. That is TravelFi. Ask your salesman about that. It's kind of a pay-as-you-go Wi-Fi deal, but they can definitely answer any questions you have. Down below our closet, we also have a couple of drawers so they can fold up all of their pajamas. Now, check out the rest. Moving up the stairs, across from your control panel, you do have this sturdy handrail right here. So that'll be a safety precaution while you're going up the stairs. You can easily grab that. And like I said, it's super sturdy, so you don't have to worry about stumbling around. Across from that, we do have a gorgeous added bunk up here. This bunk is massive. You could easily fit multiple adults up here, or if you have a ton of grandkids, they want to have a nice sleepover right in the center of the camper, you can easily do that. You have some storage back there, along with a window and an electrical outlet. They also have a handrail to easily get up here, and you also do have this ladder that clicks down into place, and when you're done using it, you can easily just move it back up and out of the way. Now, let's move back here and check out the bathroom. Right off the hallway is our bathroom, and over on the left-hand side, we have a mirror front medicine cabinet with lots of space for all your toiletries, and right beside of that, you have a place for your hand towel as well. Down below, you have quite a bit of countertop space, your sink, and an electrical outlet, and underneath all that, we have quite a bit of storage for your toilet paper and just extra items you need in your bathroom area. Across the room, you have your porcelain step to flush toilet. You do have a hanging bar up above for your towels, and you have lots of storage back here. I like this open space. You could throw a nice little basket, and this opens up, giving you space to stack up all of your towels. Now the best part is behind me. We do have our shower. You have a seat over here with some built-in shelves for all of your shampoos, conditioners, and soaps. On the other side, you have this very nice detachable shower head. You also have a couple more built-in shelves, and you have this nice little shower door. Now, check out the bedroom. In the very front of this reflection, we have our private bedroom with a queen size bed, and they've given you this nice black comforter in here. And back behind you, they've also added this headboard. It makes it look very nice and homey in here. We have some windows on both sides, so you're getting those gorgeous views. And you do have tons of storage space on this side of the room. We have some overhead storage where you can put all of your clothes. You also have a window, and you have this nice countertop, so you can add a vase of flowers, maybe some picture frames, just some things that liven up the bedroom a little bit. You also have 6 drawers underneath for all of your extra items, including your socks and your underwear and your pajamas. But the best part is we do have this massive closet right behind me. You can see off to the side, we do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in all of your phones and devices. On this side, you do have a dual door closet space with plenty of shelving in here. But if you do want to remove these shelves, this is washer dryer prepped, so you can add a washer and dryer in here. We also do have a hanging bar for all of your clothes, and you have even more closet space on the other side. And now this closet space over here, you do have even more room. It is a mirror front closet, and up top you have this shelf, and you have more shelves built into the back for your shoes, bags, all of that stuff. You also have a hanging bar in here, and you can see just how tall this closet is. With these new lines of reflections, they have been giving you a super tall front cap so that you have plenty of closet space in here. So if you're interested in this reflection or any other unit in our reflection line, make sure you give us a call, a text, or visit us online at cookeville.com, where your adventure awaits.